3. Question number 3. First one, let A equal to set of 1, 2, set 3, 4, 5. Which of following statement are incorrect and is why? First one, the set A given set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the set 3, 4 contained in A. Now 3, 4 is an element of the set A, so belongs to A. Therefore 3, 4 contained in A is incorrect statement. Second question, here 3, 4 belongs to A. Now the set 3, 4 is a member of set A. Therefore set 3, 4 belongs to A is correct statement. Correct. Third one, set 3, 4 contained in A or subset of A. Now set 3, 4 is a member of set A. Therefore set 3, 4 is a subset of A. Therefore set 3, 4 contained in A is correct statement. This is the fourth problem. 1 belongs to A. Now the set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 is a member of set A. Therefore 1 belongs to A is correct statement. Fifth one, 1 subset of A. 1 is a member of set A. Therefore 1 is not a subset of. 1 belongs to A, but 1 subset of A is incorrect. Next one, sixth one, set of 1, 2, 5 contained in A. Now 1, 2, 5 are the members of set A. Therefore the set of 1, 2, 5 subset of A is correct statement. Seventh subdivision, set of 1, 2, 5 belongs to A. Actually 1, 2, 5 belongs to A. Therefore 1, 2, 5 set of 1, 2, 5 subset of A. Therefore the statement 1, 2, 5 belongs to A is incorrect. Eighth one, set of 1, 2, 3 contained in A or subset of A. Here the element 3 is not belongs to A. 3 is not a member of A. Therefore 1, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3 not a subset of A. Therefore the statement 1, 2, 3 subset of A is incorrect. Ninth one, empty belongs to A. Empty is not a member of set A. Therefore, empty belongs to A is incorrect. 10th one, empty subset of A. Empty subset is a subset of every set. Subset of every set. Therefore, empty subset of A is correct. This statement is correct. 11th one, singleton set empty subset of A. Empty set is a subset of A, but singleton empty is not a member of A. Therefore, singleton set empty subset of A is incorrect. Question number 4. Write down all the subsets of the following sets. First one, singleton set A. Number of elements in given in set singleton set A is 1. Therefore, number of subsets of the singleton set A are 2 power 1. This is equal to 2. Therefore, the subsets are first subset empty, second subset the singleton set itself. So only 2 subsets. Second one, set of A comma B. This is considered as A, say. Now, n of A is equal to 2. So, number of subsets of A is equal to 2 power n of A. Actually, number of collection of all subsets is called the power set. Is equal to 2 power 2 equal to 4. Therefore, the subsets of A are first empty, then one single element consider a subset A, B and separately, then both A comma B, the given set. So 4 subsets. Third one, let B is equal to set 1 comma 2 comma 3. Now n of A is equal to 3. Therefore, number of subsets of A equal to 2 power 3. This is equal to 8. Therefore, the subsets are empty, singleton set 1, singleton set 2, singleton set 3, set 1 comma 2, set 1 comma 3, set 2 comma 3 and the given set 1 comma 2 comma 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 subsets. Fourth one, the given set is empty. N of empty is equal to 0. Therefore, number of subsets of empty is 2 power 0 equal to 1. Therefore, the subsets of empty is empty only empty. Fifth problem, how many elements has power set of A if A equal to empty? Solution, number of elements in set A is equal to n of empty is equal to 0. Therefore, number of subset of A equal to 2 power 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, number of element of power set of A, this is equal to 2 power n of A is equal to 2 power 0 is equal to 1.